was a windy day, hair blowing in my face. You said put on a hat so you don't get a headache. You were right, I have to say. And on that windy day, we explored the place, walking down all the country lanes, talking about a world we wanted to create. And oh, my heart flutters, seeing the birds fall around us like that, so in sync they weren't looking back. And oh, my heart stuttered, seeing the waves fall and crash. By our feet they splashed on that windy day. Pebbles beneath our feet, we meandered kinda slowly from town to town. Few people around, they didn't get to see us. Look at the weeds sway in the breeze. I was fascinated, it was something straight out of a Van Gogh painting. Oh, my heart flutters, seeing the birds circle around us like that, so in sync they weren't looking back. And oh, my heart stuttered, seeing the waves fall and crash. By our feet they splashed on that windy day. As the sun went down, I said, how's about we jump in that boat and sail away? And the boat could be green in colour, all the relics will uncover. This whole world we can discover, 'cause adventure's never far away. Flutters, seeing the birds fall around us like that,